We're going to look at a few fruits that would improve your immune system, and we're going to begin right now. First up, we have oranges. These are very commonly available. Oranges are a very good source of citric acid and citrates, which are believed to help prevent kidney stone formation. Potassium citrate is often prescribed to patients with kidney stones, so this fruit is a genuine source of this. So as oranges are rich in vitamin C, they help to increase production of white blood cells, and we all know that white blood cells are key to fighting infections. Oranges are a great source of flavonoids. Hesperidin is a citrus flavonoid and is one of the main antioxidants. Hesperidin has beneficial impacts on the blood vessels and improving blood circulation. As oranges are rich in vitamin B6, they help in production of hemoglobin. Like fruits, vegetables are also a great immunity booster. I have made a really short video on one of the best vegetables that can boost immunity, and you can find it on the I button on the right hand side top corner here. The second fruit that we are looking at today is pomegranate. A study conducted by the Institute of South Carolina suggests that pomegranate extract noticeably reduces inflammation. This is due to the presence of antioxidants in them. Pomegranates contain an active ingredient called punicic acid. This helps enhance the blood circulation in the body. Research suggests that pomegranate juice can help reduce blood pressure when consumed in measures over a few weeks. The pomegranate fruit also helps to reduce the stress hormones called cortisol. Thereby, it has an impact on the condition of the heart. There is research that suggests that pomegranate extract reduces the multiplying and reproduction of prostate cancer cells, and they also have a similar impact on the breast cancer cells. The third fruit that we have today are apples. Again, apples are a fruit that are very easily available. Research suggests that apples contain quercetin. This is an antioxidant that helps fight radicals that can impact your immune system, causing diseases. Research has also provided that quercetin has anti-inflammatory properties that can help your body with regards to other health issues. One medium apple has close to 14% of your total vitamin C requirement, about 5% of vitamin K, and about 6% of potassium content. Though there are many more nutrients, we would look at the other ones in a separate specific video. Apples are a rich source of fiber content. The fiber contained takes a long time to get absorbed, making you feel fuller for longer and reducing the intake of food. About 4.5 grams of fiber is found in a medium apple, and most of it forms a part of its skin. So the more the reason that you should eat the complete apple. Soluble fibers are great for digestion and help in prevention of gallbladder stones. Gallbladder stones are cholesterol residues that get accumulated over time. The fiber from apple also helps normalize the cholesterol levels. The fourth fruit that we have is Musambi or sweet lemon. Sweet lemon has flavonoids such as limonene glucoside that have anti-carcinogenic and antibiotic properties. These are very effective and have healing effects on oral and peptic ulcers. The phytochemical called limonoids present in sweet lemon helps in fighting different types of cancer. These limonoids are found to be attached to a sugar molecule called glucose and can easily be digested. Sweet lemon has a good potassium content and helps detoxify the kidneys. This has the ability to cure infections in the urinary bladder as well. The oil extracts from sweet lemon have anti-congestive properties that help in keeping respiratory problems at bay. That is why these are often used in balms and inhalers. The fifth fruit we have is kiwis. Kiwis are a nutrient-rich fruit and are full of vitamin C. In fact, just 1 cup of kiwi provides about 273% of your daily recommended value. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient and helps in boosting your immune systems to keep diseases at bay. Kiwis can reportedly reduce blood clotting as well. A study from University of Oslo found that eating 2 or 3 kiwis a day significantly lowered the risk of blood clotting. They had an impact on reducing the amount of fat in the blood as well. Kiwis contain an enzyme called actinitin that can help break down protein. A recent research study found that kiwis extract contains actinitin and greatly helps with digestion of most proteins. So this is really good for your bowel movements as well. So one of the major elements of keeping your immune system strong is eating nutrient-rich diet and avoiding junk food. Hope you found this video very useful. Like and share this video with your friends. Share your thoughts and views on the comment section below. Keep safe, and until the next video, it's bye-bye.